Hey girl, hey! Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Don't forget to check out the description box. I link all the products down below so you know exactly what I'm using. We are here at le bathroom. I don't have makeup on right now, but when I do have makeup on, I use the Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. Takes it off and melts it off really easily. So it's like a cream and I go ahead and dot that all over the face. I'm just kind of demoing it for you guys, but obviously I don't have any makeup on right now. I rub it all over my face, brows, and make sure I get the lashes, under the lashes, wipies, makeup remover wipes, whatever wipes you want to use. I remove all the makeup off. The next two items are going to be cleansers. They're both great for different things. I switch them off every other day. I don't want to exfoliate my skin every single day. Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser cleanses, hydrates, and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, and it's for moisture balance. This one is amazing to really gently cleanse your face. This one's good, but I am going to pick up the foaming one when I have so many flaky spots and I just need to really exfoliate my skin in a very gentle way. The Neutrogena Deep Clean Gentle Scrub. Gentle exfoliators, refined skin, beta hydroxy formula, cleans deep down into pores for soft, smooth skin. I did exfoliate my face the other day, so I am going to go in with the Cerave, the cream cleanser for today. I always use one of these little towelettes. Like every week I would say I replace the little towelette. So just pat. I picked up the MURAD 3-step system, the Retinol Youth Renewal. I just want to like prevent any fine lines and wrinkles. You have to use your SPF. Actually, I gotta be better with that. Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Go ahead and apply it on my ring finger. And I kind of do a circle. MURAD Retinol Youth Renewal Serum all over the face. Honestly, you don't need that much. Spreads really easily. The Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. I use this cream every other night just because I don't want to be doing too much retinol. With the cream as well, I don't need that much because it spreads pretty easily. I'm gonna let that set and dry, and then we're gonna go in with another moisturizer. The last product is this Renew Intense Skin Cream. This is from the brand Melaleuca. I just really love it because it's hydrating, it's not too thick, not too thin. I can use it for my face and my body. I've been using it on my stretch marks. I don't put anything on my lips because usually I have a little late night snack and I don't want stuff on my lips. Even at age 20, 22, go ahead and do it. Use your retinols, use your creams, use your moisturizers, use your SPF. Do what you can because you want to have gorgeous, beautiful skin when you're at the age of 30, 40, 50, 60, and plus. So if you can prevent any fine lines and wrinkles, girl, do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, comment down below what are your favorite skincare products, and subscribe to my channel.